elements of truth and a little bit of sense of humor and a slight.
The business each agent is doing and become much more efficient. The way things are happening, and I think most of the insurance company had tried this, they have gone some path and done it, having tablets, having handhelds, going to the remotest places, selling the insurance agent to selling the insurance the policies to them, explaining to them the whole concept, and then back end uploading all the forms back end. So this all currently is happening. The way we see is that the connected world, that is the internet connected world, that as Vikas said about 200 million plus kind of a connected connections we have. In those customers, tablets and devices would be used for a different purpose. That is more in terms of cross-selling, upselling, or in for customer acquisition, a faster customer acquisition, or some kind of analytics is something, or SMAC what we call about, and then the whole social media which can get into that. So on one side we have devices being used for that segment. On second, the not connected in the sense which is not connected to the internet. For those kind of a segment, this device can be an intelligent agent or can make the agent much more powerful, where he can decide or he can help the customer decide then and there. To give you an example, take an example in a remote place where you may not have a subject matter expert at any moment of time there. So why can't we have on the same handheld device a quick Skype call to somebody sitting in the back end and have some kind of because though they may not have a full-fledged internet connectivity there, but he can always come to the district place and have his calls done. So the point what we are trying to say that is, this will certainly not replace the agent. It will make the agent much more powerful and increase the business on that.